Hey everyone. I am Rajiv Barua. I am an IELTS trainer. Welcome back to the channel where we make English grammar fun, easy, and maybe even a little weird. Today, we're talking about two tricky words, affect and effect. People mix them up all the time, but after today's lesson, you won't. Let's start with the difference. Affect is usually a verb, it means to change or influence something. Effect is usually a noun, it means the result or outcome of something. Okay, now let's see how this works in real life, or at least in some funny sentences. Here's our first sentence: too much coffee can affect or affect your ability to blink normally. The correct answer is affect. Why? Because coffee is doing something to your ability, it's influencing it. And yes, caffeine and blinking don't always get along. Next up, the movie had a strange effect on my love for pizza. The correct word here is effect, because we're talking about the result the movie had. Maybe it showed a pizza crime scene, who knows? Here's another: loud snoring may affect your roommate's sleep. Or sanity. The answer is effect, because snoring is influencing the roommate's sleep, possibly turning them into a zombie. Next one: that ghost story had no effect on me. I only screamed twice. Correct answer, effect. Why? Because we're talking about the result of the ghost story. No effect, but you still screamed. Impressive. Here's another fun one: the only effect of his workout was extreme hunger. The right word is effect, that's the result, not muscles, just mega appetite. Happens to the best of us. Last one: don't let bad Wi-Fi affect your inner peace. The answer is effect, because bad Wi-Fi doesn't give you peace. It takes it away. It influences your calm, in the worst way. And that's it for today's class. Thanks for watching, and may your coffee affect you just enough to remember this lesson. Hey everyone.